Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system and updates. As you can see on the second position we've got the system navigation, so let's tap on it, and here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So before I will show you how to set the gestures and how to use them, just a quick disclaimer about the 3 buttons navigation, 3 key navigation. As you can see we've got the settings here, so after tapping on it you will be able to customize the navigation key combinations. You can reorder particular buttons, so to be specific, the back button and the recents, and you can also apply this kind of hide button. So it's up to you. As I said, what is more, you can tap on more, and here you've got the navigation dock. Up to you if you want to use it. I don't really like this option. Alright, so first of all, in order to set the gestures we have to tap on this option at the top, and your device will ask you if you want to go through the tutorial, and of course you can do it. However, I don't want to because I already know how to use the gestures. What is more, I'll show you thanks to this how to use them later on. So let me go back, and as you can see we do not have any kind of buttons, anything. It is because they are just wiped out because of the gestures. We can of course enter the settings, and usually alright, got it. Usually your device will apply the gestures with this option turned on, which is, as you can see, this line which will appear instead of the 3 buttons. It's up to you. I prefer this option to be turned off. What is more, here you can customize this slide across bottom to switch apps. Up to you if you want to use it. You can try out gestures, so again go through the tutorial if you need. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, we have to swipe our finger from the side to the center of our device, and it does not really matter if you will do it from the left or the right side, it works the same. So as you can see, after after swiping you will see this arrow. I cannot hold it too long because I will open this additional bar with the apps. So let me show you quickly. The arrow appeared and I released the finger and I simply got back to the previous page, and the same situation from the right side. If you want to, you can go back directly to the home page, and all you have to do in order to do that is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be a quick and a short motion, just almost like that. Just like that. And as you can see, we've got the home page, and in order to open the recents we have to do kind of the same gesture, the same motion, but this time do it kind of slowly and hold your finger somewhere here, so a longer gesture. And as you can see here, we've got the recents. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.